Poetry Space Poems for January 2011. The poems for this month take the themes of ghosts and signs. Poems about ghosts are as varied as the theories about their existence or non-existence. Are ghosts a point of energy, a glimpse of the multiverse, a necessary socio-cultural fiction? Perhaps ghosts are a metaphor for memory and remembrance, and metaphorically connect our world to the world we cannot know about. The person who said, "I don't believe in ghosts, but I've been afraid of them all my life," was probably pointing out our ambiguous feelings about something that can be explained psychologically or scientifically, but might just be more real than we think. The theme of signs might seem to connect nicely with ghosts, except the signs I have in mind are not prescient or mystical, but the kind of signs we see around us every day. Road signs, street signs, shop signs. Signs whose use of language would seem to be the very opposite of poetry. Language with the pragmatic function of warning, advising, or informing. I was interested in how poets respond to this kind of functional use of words, how the language of signs might be played with, subverted, made ambiguous. David Morley's poem Patrine explores signs of a different context, as a language used by travelling Roma to pass on information. One poem from the section on signs I'll read now. It's called In Case of Fire by Jenny Lewis, and you should be able to see the text of this poem in the description comments section of this video on YouTube. In case of fire, break glass. In case of water, lift glass. In case of wine, lift several glasses. In case of lips, find their owner before kissing. In case of kissing, do not attempt on dangerous curves. In case of dangerous curves, avoid those belonging to your neighbour's wife. In case of your neighbour's wife, do not lay on a wet undercoat. In case of a wet undercoat, hang out to dry with crooked politicians. In case of crooked politicians, switch off power and ask them to leave the house. In case of leaving the house, please let the rats go first. In case of rats, cover with hundreds and thousands, grill lightly, and serve with Worcestershire Sauce. In the case of Worcestershire Sauce, note the unusual spelling that makes the word appear different to what it seems. In case of things appearing different to what they seem, stay very still and do nothing. In case of doing nothing about frequently reported faults, light blue torch paper and retire. In case of retiring, curl up with the mature person's guide to the Kama Sutra by a roaring fire. In case of fire, break glass. Well, I hope to see you at the meeting in January, and hope you enjoy the poems. Thanks.